Howard, we're here in beautiful Kings Park, and I reckon the best photography we're going to do today is macro.
Absolutely, Saul. Bit of an art form in the world of photography, and it's a great way to get those beautiful close-up detailed images when you're out and about exploring WA.
I know the Destination WA team often loves using macro gear, even Chrissy with her shells on the beach.
Yeah, and Trev loves hunting wildflowers.
We're going to show you today some of our personal favourites in our macro gear. This is the Fujifilm Xt4 APS-C 26 megapixel mirrorless camera that has in-body stabilisation, 20 frames per second shooting with autofocus, a larger battery to help with shooting times of at least 500 shots, and dual UHS-2 card slots. And it has a mode called Eterna Bleach Bypass. This is reminiscent of the old Eterna film, originally only available in Japan, known for giving cinematic look. Now it's one of 19 film simulation modes in the Fujifilm Xt4. 19 modes, that's amazing. Well, macro's all about the fine detail. The perfect lens for that is the Fujifilm Xf 80mm macro. Perfect lens for perfect composure. Combining detail and distance, allowing an effective 122mm, it's a focal length that is perfect for macro.
Here's something you may not have thought of.
An LED light. It's great for stills and video, and it's the size of a smartphone.
The Fotix M200R RGB LED light. Long life LED light with built-in battery. The colours and brightness can be adjusted. It has 21 different scenario effects, and the colour changing allows you to take interesting photos or videos while shooting macro or any photography. Capturing the finer details of your adventures has never been this easy.
We'll see you next time for more great ideas to capture your holiday memories. We love photography.